Travellers from South Africa now join a long list of countries, including Brazil, Ireland, the UK and 26 countries in Europe. Now, this new ban overturns an order that President Trump made when he was still in office that had lifted those restrictions. The CDC's principal director, Dr. Anne Shushat, told Reuters that South Africa had been added because of the concerning variant present that has already spread beyond South Africa. And she said the measures were in place to protect Americans, but also to reduce the risk of these variants spreading across the world and worsening the current pandemic. Now, the CDC has said it's not saying that it won't put this ban on more countries in the future as well. In a White House press briefing, which have now started to become a daily occurrence here in Washington, Dr. Anthony Fauci, who is President Biden's chief medical officer and the leading infectious diseases expert here in the US, he spoke to reporters and he told them that at the moment he does not believe the South African variant is here in the US, but he acknowledged that their level of surveillance had not been what he would have liked it to have been. So they continue to be extremely vigilant and really are looking to detect if it is here. But so far, he has no information to suggest that it is. Now, Joe Biden has said that combating coronavirus, getting a handle on it, is his number one priority for his new job, and he's taken aggressive actions to do this, and this travel ban is yet another one. He's already signed a range of executive orders since he took office just last Wednesday, and his promise is to administer 100 million vaccines in his first 100 days in office. So this travel ban is perhaps no surprise given his aggressive stance on all of this. Some health officials, though, are concerned that the vaccines that are being used here in the US may not be sufficient to protect against this new variant from South Africa. But today, Moderna, who is one of the drug companies who is licensed to sell their vaccine here in the US, it says that its vaccine will protect individuals against this strain from South Africa and against the strain from Britain. It says, however, as a precaution, it is now working on a separate vaccine to specifically target the South African variant. But for now, it remains that if you are in South Africa and you are not a US citizen, you will not be able to enter the United States. Kate Fisher, SABC News, Washington.